Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comps. Have a little weakness today in the markets led by the beans. We're also seeing the dollar lower on news of maybe some Fed comments yesterday and also some profit taking. So we'll see if that has any impact. Looks like the stock market could also open up a little easier. We've got crude up and we've got gold up overnight. As far as the grains are concerned, today is export sales day and we're expecting somewhere maybe around 500,000 tons of beans, close to 1 million tons of corn, and maybe 300,000 tons of wheat. Yesterday the beans rallied kind of unexpectedly on talk that the Brazilian farmer may be a reluctant seller of beans because of their currency situation. They could hold beans in storage longer than expected, and that could help U.S. export demand this summer. Could also bring the U.S. carryout down. So we had a pretty good rally in the beans yesterday. Unexpectedly, we also saw a big jump in corn open interest yesterday, up 53,000 contracts. Sometimes the numbers might be skewed a little bit, but it was interesting that we really didn't have that big of a rally to cause that big of an increase in open interest. Today, NOAA will come out with a 3-month outlook for U.S. weather. We'll see what they say about temperatures and precip. It may have an impact on prices. Right now, they came out and said that there's a chance later this summer that El Nino could come back globally. Sometimes that offers a mostly favorable outlook for U.S. weather. But in between, when we don't have either a La Nina or El Nino, you can have basically any kind of weather in the United States, and a few forecasters are looking for a little bit drier than normal summer. As far as any other news, Argentina weather looks like some more rain for the wet areas. Brazil weather looks good, except for some off and on showers maybe up in the north. We also know that the funds yesterday were buyers of beans, meal, corn, and wheat. They sold some soybean oil, and they continue to be long beans, meal, oil, adding to their long position in corn and keeping a big short position in the wheat. So outside market's a little weaker, gold a little bit higher, grains a little bit easier. Yesterday's unexpected rally in the beans, big increase in open interest in corn, and we also have the export sales today. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.